Welcome to Vector's Patreon tutorial. This section is an additional extension to the selection. I will show how to select the faces that have been flipped in the normal direction. Here I will describe the problem with a mesh like this. We may create some contested faces in the modeling process. The direction of the normals of these faces is different from what we expected. Normally we recalculate the normal direction of the faces to correct the orientation. You can see that the normals of these faces are already facing outwards. If you want to select the faces whose normals have been flipped, we need to know what happens to the faces when the normals are flipped. This face consists of 4 vertices. The data of the face can be made up of the indexes of the vertices. This order of data constitutes a counterclockwise loop. The orientation of the faces can be determined by the right-hand rule in mathematics. But when the order of the faces is counterclockwise, in this case, the faces will be oriented in the opposite direction. This is what happens to the data when the normals are flipped. When you understand this thing, choosing the face of the flip normal will be very simple. Now let's go back to Sverchok to implement this function. First import the mesh you just created in Sverchok. Fix the normal orientation using the recalculated normal node. Here we can see that the data order of the faces has changed. We need to compare the data in each corresponding position to see if they are the same. so I use logical nodes to compare them. Then I use the list maths node to perform an operation on each piece of data. This will filter out the faces where the data has not changed. The mask does not seem to select the faces as expected. This is due to my logical node not using the correct mode. Now, our mask selects the face of the normal flip.